next chapter is surface areas and volumes. Surface area and volumes. In that, first term of a right circular cone. So we will discuss about first term of right circular cone. So now this is a new concept to you, that is first term of cone, correct? No? So what is this first term of cone? So definition given here. If a right circular cone, first term definition is if a right circular cone, so you have idea about circular cone, correct? No? Cone shape you know, is cut off by a plane parallel to, this cone is cut off by a plane parallel to its base, then the portion of the cone, between the cutting plane and the base of the cone, is called the first term of the cone. So first term of cone is a right circular cone is cut off by a parallel plane parallel to its base. The remaining portion between the cutting plane and the base of the cone is called the frustum. So this is the shape of frustum. That I will show you. Now see what is the shape of this one. What is the shape of this? This is the cone shape, correct? No? This is cone shape, right? This is cone shape, right? So now in this first we will see the parts of cone. So what is the shape of this base? The shape of this base is circle, correct? No? The cone is of this shape, and you know, right? Already you studied in 9th class and also in 8th class you studied, correct? No? So this is the shape of cone. What is the base shape? The shape of this cone is, the shape of this cone is what? This is circle, correct? No? This is circle, that means this is in circle shape. So now what is this here? This is called the height of the cone, is it right? From this point to this point, it is called the height of the cone, right? Now next, this is the slant height of the cone. This is slant height of the cone, and this is circle. In this the radius that I will mark here in figure. So this is circle and the center of circle. This is called the radius of circle, and this is the height of circle. So this is R, and this one is height of the circle, height of the cone, and slant height. Which is your slant height? This is your slant height, that is equal to L. Correct? No? So you know how to find surface area, CSA of this cone, total surface area of this cone, and volume of this cone. You know, right? So now from this we are getting the frustum shape. So frustum of right circular cone. So from this cone we are getting the shape is a frustum. How we are getting that shape frustum? It is right circular cone is cut off by plane parallel to its base. So now I have this cone. If I remove the small part, that is cone, if I remove like this, see, if I remove like this, the removed part is also, what is the shape? Shape is cone. So from this cone, one small cone is removed, the small cone is removed, and the remaining part is called. So this is the shape, the remaining shape is called the frustum of the cone. See here, this is the frustum of the cone. Here is a circle, here is a circle, correct? No? This is called the frustum. Understood? No? So initially there is a cone, and if you remove the small part cone from this one, so small part is removed. So what is the shape of remove this part? This is also cone, small cone, and the remaining portion is called the frustum shape, frustum of cone. Understood? No? So now once again, if a right circular cone is cut off by a plane parallel to its base, then the portion of the cone between the cutting plane, So this is the cutting plane and the base of the cone. This is the the cutting plane and the base of the cone is called the frustum of the cone. So this is the frustum of the cone. So that I'll show in figure. So initially you know the parts of this cone. So if I remove one small part from this one, if I cut this cone here which is parallel to parallel plane, if I remove, so then your figure will be like this. See, figure will be like this, like this. So here is, so this is what removed part, correct? No? So this is, if I cut the cone here, so this is removed part. So what is your remaining shape? Remaining shape is the frustum of cone. So this is, if I remove this small cone from this bigger cone, the remaining part is called the frustum of the cone. In this, what are the parts? This is, what is the shape of this one? The shape of this is a circle, and shape of the base is also what? Circle. So therefore this part is radius, this is also radius, and the distance between the center of two circular are the height of the frustum, and this is the slant height. So again here it is marked. So this is the frustum, this is frustum. What is the shape of this one? Shape of this is a circle, correct? No? This is a circle, means there is a center of circle, and this is radius, let it be radius is R1. And what is the shape of this base? Again it is in circle, correct? No? It is circular base, and this is center of this circle. So that I marked as O dash, and this is the radius, that is marked as R2, that is radius of second circular base. Now next, what is the height? Height is, see, the distance between this center, circle of this center with the circle of this center, that is called the height of the frustum. So h is the height of the frustum, is the distance between the two centers of this circular shape, correct? No? Now slant height. Slant height is what? This portion is called the slant height of the frustum, that is equal to L. Understood? The parts of circle or frustum of circle L, R1, R2, H. Remember this. So this shape is called as frustum of cone. This is the shape of frustum, right? Already you know this. So how you got this frustum shape? If you remove a small cone from this bigger cone, right? A small cone is cut off by this bigger cone. The remaining part is called the frustum of a cone. So now here, what is this? This is the shape circle. So circle shape, that is a center, and this is radius R1. And what is the shape of this one? Again it is circle, and then this is the center, means this is radius R2. So this is radius R1 and this is radius R2. And this is what? H. H means what? The height of frustum. So height of frustum is what? From the center of this circle to the center of this circle is called the height of frustum. And this is the slant height. This is the slant height of the frustum. So now we will discuss what is lateral surface area, what is total surface area, and what is the frustum of this cone. That means the volume of frustum of cone, the formulas. All these formulas are very important and problems are important. So first we will see, so lateral surface area, that is also called as curved surface area. Lateral surface area or curved surface area, already you know from your 9th class and 10th class, lateral surface and curved surface area of frustum. What is the formula for lateral surface area of frustum of cone is? That is LSA, means lateral surface area of frustum. The formula is given by pi L, this is bracket, R1 plus R2. So what is the formula for lateral surface area of frustum? It is pi L R1 plus R2. The next is, what is total surface area of frustum of cone? The total surface area of frustum of cone is denoted as TSA, means total surface area. The formula is pi. This is pi, this is bracket, and this bracket is closed here, means for this bracket this pi. So pi bracket R1 plus R2 into L. R1 plus R2 bracket into L plus R1 square plus R2 square. This is formula to find the total surface area of frustum of cone. Now next is volume or capacity. Volume or capacity, both the same. Find the volume of frustum or find the capacity of the frustum. Find the volume of frustum or find the capacity of the frustum, both are same, is given by V is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into H into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Close this bracket. So these three are very important. So this is, find the volume of frustum is important for 3 marks. Okay. So remember these 3 points. Now we'll see what are these R1 and R. And remember how to find slant height in frustum. Slant height L is equal to square root of H square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Slant height of the frustum can be written as L is equal to square root of H square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Now what is this R1? R1 is radius of this circle. R2 is radius of this circle. H is height of the frustum. L is slant height of the frustum, and pi, what is the value? It is 22 by 7 constant. So these 3 are very important. So what is lateral surface area of frustum? Lateral surface area of frustum is pi into L bracket R1 plus R2. What is total surface area of frustum? Pi bracket R1 plus R2 into L plus R1 square plus R2 square. What is volume of frustum? 1 by 3 pi H into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. What is the slant height of the frustum? Slant height of the frustum is square root of H square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Now what is lateral surface area? See, this is your frustum, right? This is your frustum shape. Now what is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area formula is pi L R1 plus R2, right? So means, what is that lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means area of this region. This is lateral surface area means area of only these region, that is this part. This is the lateral surface area. So if you find what is area of this shaded region, that gives the lateral surface area. I will show you in this example. This is the shape. What is the shape of this one? Frustum, right? This is frustum shape. Here is a circle and here is circle, and one small part of cone is removed, right? So now in this, what is your lateral surface area? Which region is lateral area? The region, this region. Understood, no? This region is called as lateral surface. Only this region is lateral region. So what is the formula to find the area of this region? Area of this region is pi L R1 plus R2. So this is your formula. Now next, what do you mean by the total surface area of a frustum? Total surface area of frustum is the lateral surface area along that area of these two shape. Understood, no? Total surface area means total area of this frustum. Total area means what? Including area of this circle plus including this circle. So total area gives us means lateral surface plus these two area. So this is what lateral surface area. Okay. So now how to find and what is your total surface area, that I will show. So in this lateral surface area, the area of two circles are not included. Understood, no? The area of two circles are not included. Only area of this part is included. That is lateral surface area. Now total surface area. Total surface area is including this lateral surface area, this area, and also including this area of two circles. Area of two circles. So that gives this area plus this area plus this area. Together is total surface area. Clear? This area plus this area and this area. Total it is total surface area. Clear this? Now see, suppose in example this shaded is 25 centimeter. This shaded is 25 centimeter. What is lateral surface area of this one? This area is 4 centimeter and this area is 4 centimeter. Suppose assume that a circle of area is 4 centimeter square, not centimeter. This is centimeter square, this is centimeter square. Suppose assume the area of the circle is 4 centimeter square. The area of circle is 4 centimeter square and area of this shaded is 25 centimeter square. Now from this figure, what is the lateral surface area of frustum of cone? Suppose question is, what is lateral surface area of frustum of cone? What is lateral surface area of a frustum of cone? As you know, which is lateral surface? Only the shaded part is the lateral surface, isn't it? Yes. Now, what is the lateral surface area of frustum is 25 centimeter square. Is this right? Is it necessary to add these two areas? No. Why it is not? Lateral means only this part. Is it right? Yes. Now, what is total surface area? Total surface area means lateral surface area plus area of these two circles. So now tell me, what is total surface area? 25 plus 4 plus 4. How much it is? 25 plus 29, 29 plus 33. So 33 is total surface area. Understood now difference between lateral and total surface area. Clear this? Now suppose, now here while finding total surface area, so this is what frustum of cone. So first understand this, then it is easy to solve questions. Okay, they'll ask different way. Okay, in this one. Suppose this is one frustum of cone. Is it right? So this is frustum of cone. In this, see, this is open. Circle is open. Correct? No, this side it is open, and here also it is open. Right? So now given this figure and find the surface area of this one. Suppose find the surface area of this one. Here it is both sides are open. They will mention. So the frustum of cone. Find the surface area of frustum of cone with the two areas are or two circles are, two ends are open. Two ends are open means the shape is like this. Clear, no? So surface area it is asked. It is not mentioned whether to find lateral surface area or whether to find total surface area. Now tell me what to find if two ends are open. Which area to find? Is this total? So lateral or it is total? It is lateral surface area because here it is open means there is no region. Correct? No? Is it here possible to find the area for open here? No. Is it possible to find the area of this? No, because here it is not closed. It is open. There is no area bounded here. Right? So that means if it is open both sides, then what to find area? Area is lateral surface itself. Suppose question is suppose assume that this is closed, that I'll show you in figure. Okay, that I'll show you in figure. Suppose your figure is like this. That means if it is open in both the side. Question is, if it is open in both the side, find the surface area means. Find the surface area means, so shaded. So it is not shaded means both ends are open. So find the surface area means what it is? Lateral surface area. Clear? Now suppose first term of cone is find the surface area of first term of cone whose radii are 4 cm and 2 cm and both the ends are closed. Find the surface area of first term. Find the surface area and it is closed. So make the point of those two sentence or those 2 points. What is that? Surface area of 2 closed end of what is first term. Surface area. It is not asked whether lateral or whether total. But how to identify is it lateral or total? By the given sentence, it is closed at both ends. So closed at both ends means I mark it as closed at both ends. So this is shaded means this is closed and this is closed means is this lateral or total? This is total surface area. Clear? This is total surface area. If it is open both the ends, find the surface area means you have to find lateral surface area. If both ends are closed, find the surface area means the formula is total surface area. Clear this? So understand this difference. If they ask directly, find the lateral surface area. So you can use. Find the total surface area. So you can use this formula. But if it is closed at 2 ends, find the surface area means total surface area. If it is open at the both ends, find the surface area means it is lateral surface area. And one more point, find the surface area of first term. Suppose find the surface area of first term with the radii, some data with the radii, and its one end is closed. So find surface area of first term of cone with the measurement, height, radius, everything it is given, and one end is closed. Find the surface area of first term and its one end is closed. Maybe this end or this end. So I will find this one. So I will show this is closed. Now how to find surface area? Is this lateral surface area? No. Is this total surface area? No. Total means what? Both ends should be closed, right? Lateral means what? Both should be open. But here it is one end is closed and one end is open. Now how to find here? See, this is closed, right? No, this is closed means you should find out what is area for this one. Clear? What is area of this one? To find area of this one, first to find what is the shape of that. What is the shape of this one? Circle. So circle, and what is the area of circle? It is equal to pi r square. Correct? No? This is pi r square. So this is closed means you have to find the area of this one. So what is area of this one? The area of that is shape is in circle. So circle area is pi r square. Clear? Now next one is first term means this is the area. Correct? No? That is the radian component. So means this area is what? This is lateral surface area. Correct? No? So plus lateral surface area. Clear? No? So we can't take total surface area. We can't take lateral surface area. Clear, not understood? So because one end is closed, so we can't use total surface area. We can't use only lateral surface area because one end is closed. So which formula is to use? So which end is closed, for that use the formula, and remaining is lateral surface area. So lateral surface, so total surface or surface area of this type of frustum is lateral surface area plus pi r square. So now what is your lateral surface area of frustum? It is pi L r1 plus r2 plus pi r square. Maybe this, if we take this as r1, this as r2, so this formula changes as r2 square. Is this clear? Is this clear? So see the difference. Those are important. Both ends are closed, both ends are open, one end is closed. Then how to change the formula? Next comes as volume and capacity. Find the capacity of frustum. Which formula to use? This one. Find the volume of frustum. Which formula is to use? This formula. Is this clear? Yes. First question. If the radii of circular ends of conical bucket, which is 45 centimeter high. What is this 45? 45 centimeter high means h is equal to 45. Height is 45 centimeter r. What are the radii of circular ends of conical bucket? Are 28 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So find the capacity of the bucket. So find the capacity of the bucket means what to find? Find the volume of bucket and use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So pi value is 22 by 7. So what is given? The radii of circular ends are 25 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So that means first R1 is equal to 28 centimeter, R2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Find capacity means B is equal to, height is 45 centimeter, so H is 40 centimeter. So of what? Capacity of what to find here? A circular ends of conical bucket. So bucket is in conical and with the two circular ends. So in the conical, is there any two circles? Conical shape means this is your cone shape, right? Can we use this formula volume of cone here? No, because the bucket is in the shape of conical and the radii of circular ends 28 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So means your bucket is in the shape of frustum of cone. Understood now? So this is bucket and that bucket is in the shape of frustum of cone. So frustum of cone shape, you know this one. So this is a frustum of cone. You can reverse it. So this is also frustum of cone. Clear this no? Yes. Frustum of cone. So now frustum of cone is, so this is your frustum of cone. That means the shape of bucket. So in this is what R1. Next, this is what R2. This is what H. Correct now? This is H. Now answer. So how to write? Answer. And here This bucket forms a first term of cone of two circular ends. Clear now? Of radii. So what is here R1? R1. Radii are 28 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So R1 is 28 centimeter. Next R2 is what? 7 centimeter. Now next, what is this 45 centimeter? 45 centimeter high means h is equal to 45 centimeter. H is 45 centimeter. Find the capacity means to find capacity. So to find the capacity of bucket. So capacity of bucket is what? It is V is equal to question mark, right? V is equal to question mark. So now using formula. So which formula? The volume of first term of cone is 1 by 3. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. R1 into R2. Now substitution. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi. Pi is what? I substitute. Pi is 22 by 7. H is 45 into R1 square. R1 is 28. R1 square is 28 square plus R2 square. R2 is 7 square plus R1 into R2. R1 into R2. So 28 into 7. 28 into 7. So now simplification. So calculation part I do here. Calculation part. This is calculation. Yes. Now, how to simplify here? Simplification. So here 1 into 22 into 45, 3 and 7. Right? So can you cancel this? 3 ones are 3. How much here? 3 ones are 3. 1 carry 350. Is it right? Yes. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, 3 fives are 50. So what is left? V is equal to 22 into 15, 22 into 15 divided by 7, divided by 7. So inside bracket 28 square, yes, 28 square means it is what? 28 into 28. So 28 into 28. What is the answer? 8 is 64, 6, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder, 2 2s are 4 and it is 5. So it is 4, 8, 7. So answer is 28 square is equal to 784. So answer 784 plus 7 square, you know, right? 7 into 7 is 49 plus 28 into 7. So 28 into 7. So what is the answer? 56. 7 8s are 56. 5 remainder. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 14 plus 5 is 19. Is it right? 196. So it is 196. Correct now? So now next 22 into 15. So V is equal to 22 into 50. So here 22 into 50. So 5 2s are 10. 1 remainder. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So how much here? 0, 3, 3. So it is 330. So 22 into 15 is 330 divided by 7. So add this one. 784 plus 49 plus 196. So here I'll do here 784 plus 49 plus 196. Correct no? 784 plus 49 plus 196. So 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 9 19. 1 remainder. 1 plus 9 10. 10 14. 14 22. 2 remainder. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. So it is 1029. This is 1029 divided by 7. So now is it possible to divide? We'll see. 7 divided by 330. Is it possible? 330 divided by 7. 7 how much here? 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 3 4 5 6 7 8. 550. Is it possible? No. Now next 1029. So 1029. So dividing 7 ones are 7. So 3 remainder 32. 7 fours are 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 49. So we get correct no? 7 how much here? That is possible. So clear no? So now before multiplying these two, that is complicated. First we will see, is it possible to divide these two numbers? So not possible. Is it possible to divide these two numbers? That we will see. So it is 1029 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 3 remainder 32. Next 7 fours are 28. 4 remainder. Next 9. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder is 0. So this 1079 divided by this is 330 into, that answer is what? 147. 147. So now next to multiply these two. So what is the answer? 147. 147 into 330. It's now 0, 0, 0. Correct no? So 3 sevens are 21. 2 remainder. 3 fours are 12. 13, 14. 1 remainder. 3 ones are 3, 4. So now next 3 sevens are 21. 2 remainder. 3 fours are 12. 13, 14. 1 remainder. 3 ones are 3. It is 4. So 0, 1, 5, 8, 4. So how much here? 4, 8, 5, 1, 0. So that is equal to 4, 8, 5, 1, 0 centimeter cube. That means 48,510 centimeter cube. So why it is centimeter cube? Volume. The formula or unit is what? Meter cube or cubic centimeter, because these two are in centimeter. So these two are centimeter. It is equal to centimeter cube. In exam, the writing unit is important. If you don't write unit, then they will cut half mark for this one. So V is equal to this one. Therefore, conclusion is, the capacity of bucket is, conclusion, the capacity of bucket is 48,510 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Next question. The radii of circular ends of frustum. So what is the shape of solid here? It is frustum. Of height 6 centimeter. Of height 6 centimeter means h is equal to how much here? 6 centimeter. R. What are the radii of circular ends? Are 14 centimeter and 6 centimeter. That means R1 is equal to 14 centimeter. R2 is equal to 6 centimeter respectively. Find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of the first term. So here it is mentioned what is to find lateral surface area and total surface area. So first I will write what is given. So what is given here? Given the radii of two circular ends. The radii of two circular ends, that is R1 is equal to what it is? 14 centimeter. Correct? No? R1 is not 6 centimeter. Of height is 6 meter. Of first term of height 6 centimeter. So radius is how much here? 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Second radius R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. And height h is equal to how much here? 6 centimeter. Height h is equal to 6 centimeter. So what to find? Find the lateral surface area. So and give notation here. LSA is equal to what? Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. And TSA is equal to what? Total surface area. So TSA is total surface area. See here, you can't give notations and you can't use the short forms for anyone. So because here, if you want to write LSA as lateral surface area, first you should mention what is LSA. So LSA is here lateral surface area. What is your TSA? TSA is total surface area. In the formula, instead of writing lateral surface area, it is length, that's why you can write LSA. So if you want to write LSA, you should mention that what is your LSA. This is the notation given to lateral surface area. So that you should mention. After mentioning only you can write LSA is equal to TSA is equal to. Understood? No? That's why I mentioned here. First is lateral surface area. So LSA is equal. Hereafter I can use LSA because I mentioned what is LSA. Without mentioning this one, you can't use LSA. You should write lateral surface area. Clear? So LSA is lateral surface area. So what is your formula? Lateral surface area is equal to pi L R1 plus R2, right? R1 plus R. But here pi is what? 22 by 7. L is what? Is it given L, that is slant height? No, it is not given. What is your R1 and R2? R1 is 14 centimeter. R2 is 6 centimeter, right? So to find lateral surface, first you should know what is L. So first we will find out what is your L. So how to find that L? Using formula. So slant height L is equal to, I need slant height L is equal to, what is the formula? H square plus R1 minus R1 square, R1 minus R2 whole square. This is your formula. So therefore L is equal. I can use L is equal because I mentioned slant height L is equal to. No need of writing slant height. Okay, you can write L is equal to. L is equal to now substitution H square. What is that H? H is a 6 square plus R1 minus R2. R1 is what? 14 minus R2 is what? R2 is 6 whole square. See the substitution? R1 plus, R1 minus R2 square. So therefore V is equal to, L is equal to square root of 6 square. You are familiar with this one. 6 square is what? 26 plus, now 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is how much here? 8. So it is 8 square. So L is equal to square root of 36 plus 8 square is what? 64. 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. So L is equal to 36 plus 64 is 100. So 100 is this perfect square? Yes, it is perfect square. So L is equal to how much here? 10. What is the unit? Centimeter. Why it is centimeter? Because radius is in centimeter, R2 is in centimeter, H is in centimeter, so L is also centimeter. So now you can find it. So therefore, lateral surface area is equal to pi L into R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. Now substitution. Lateral surface area is equal to 22 by 7 into L is how much here? 10. R1 is how much here? 14. R2 is what? 6. So 14 plus 6. Now simplification. LSA is equal to 22 into 10 divided by, I'll write it again. 22 into 10 and 14 plus 6 is how much here? 20 divided by what? 7. Clear? So here 22 into 10, 14 plus 6 is 20 whole divided by 7. So now this is the simplification part. Simplification part I do it here, that is calculation. So this is calculation part. Yes, how to do that calculation part? So first time 22 into 10. First I do 22 into 10. So simplification as you wish. So 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. So 1 left. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Directly you can write answer if you know. So 0 to 2. Correct? No? 220. So therefore lateral surface area is equal to 22 into 10 is 220 into this 20 divided by what? Divided by 7. Now 220 into 20. Okay? So yes, 220 into 20. 220 into 20. So this is 0, 0, 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Next, 2, 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Correct now? So it is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4. So what is answer? 4,400. So lateral surface area is equal to 4,400 divided by 7. So now divide. So now division. So 4,400 divided by 7. Correct? No? Divided by 7. So now take two numbers. 7 how much here? 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. So 7 6 are 42. So here is 2 remainder. So now next is 20. This is 0. 7 2s are 14. How much it is? 6 0. So how much it is? 8s are. 7 8s are 56. So 56 remainder is 4. So I take 0 from outside. So point. So 7 40. So 40 means 7 5s are 35. So again it is 5 0. So 5 0 means what? 7 7s are 49. So remainder is 1. If you want, you can continue this. Otherwise, answer is 628.57. So what is your lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is 628.57 centimeter square. Why it is centimeter square? Because lateral surface area. Area, what is the unit? Unit is centimeter square or meter square. What is the volume unit? Centimeter cube or meter cube. So this is lateral surface area. So unit is centimeter square. So therefore lateral surface area of frustum of cone is frustum is what? It is 628.57 centimeter square. is centimeter square. The second question is find the total surface area of first term. So now total surface area of first term, what is the formula? Pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus R1 square plus R2 square. Correct? No? This is your formula. The substitution. Total surface area is equal to pi is what? 22 by 7 into this one. R1. See the brackets. This is the outside bracket. Next is this one. What is your R1? R1 is 14 plus R2 is 6 into L is, what is your L? L is 10 plus R1 square is 14 square plus R2 square is 6 square. Right now substitution. So this is our formula. Be careful about brackets. So pi is 22 by 7, this bracket. Next to this bracket, R1 is 14 plus R2 is 6 into L is 10 plus R1 square 14 square, R2 square 6 square. And we will see the calculation part. This is calculation. Now, so it is total surface area is equal to 22 by 7 bracket. So how to simplify? 14 plus 6, 20 into 10. This 10 plus 14 square. You know this one, right? 14 into 14 is what? 196, right? So 4 4s are 16, 1 remainder. 4 1s are 4, it is 5. And this is 4 and 1. So this 6, 9, 1. So 14 square is what? 196. So 196 plus 6 square is what? 36. 6 square is 36. So now total surface area is equal to 22 by 7, 20 into 10. So 20 into 10. 20 into 10, how much here? 200. 0, 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. So now next, 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 2 is 2. So 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. It is 2. So how much it is? 200. So this is 200 plus 196 plus 36. So now add this 200 plus 196 plus 36 is 200 plus 196 plus 36 addition. So 0 plus 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, this carry is 432. So answer is total surface area is equal to 22 by 7. This total answer is 432. Is 432. Correct? No? Now how to simplify here? 22 into 432. So is it possible to divide 22 divided by 7? Not possible. 432 divided by 7. Is it possible? Just I'll check here. 432 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. 1 remainder 2. So not possible. We don't get what the proper answer will get remainder. So leave it. So just multiply 22 into 432. So I multiply here 432 into 22. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Next 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So add, correct now? 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 remainder. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 1 remainder. 8 plus 1, carry is 9. So 9, 5, how much it is? Right here, it is 9504 divided by 7. So now divide it. 9504 divided by 7. So 7 divided by 95. Right here. 7 divided by how much it is? 9504. 9504. So 7 ones are 7. 2 remainder. Next is 5. 7 threes are 21. 4 remainder. Next is 0. 7 5s are 35. Correct no? 5 remainder. 54. Correct no? 7 sevens are 49. So 49. 7 8s are 56. So 49. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 5 remainder. Yes, 5 remainder. So take 0 from outside and it is point. So 50. So 7 sevens are 49. So 1 remainder. 10. 7 ones are 7. 3 remainder and it continues. If you want, you can take one more decimal. So, but I'll stop here. So what is the answer? 1337.71 centimeter square. Why it is centimeter square? Total surface area. Area is centimeter square. So therefore conclusion, the total surface area of frustum is, the total surface area of frustum is 1357.71 centimeters square. 1357.71 centimeters square.